at the highest point of Transalpina Road. Here is the Obârșia Pass, the 2,145 meters above sea level.
Good morning everybody and welcome back to our channel.
Today it will be a very long day. We have over 300 kilometers to do today on the Transalpina road. It's the highest road in Romania. We have 7-8 hours just riding. Who is beautiful here?
Me.
She's ready to go.
Brand new, last model. Represent you the Honda TransALP.
For us, is the best motorbike.
What a very great road. We are now on the Transalpina road. This is the first part from Sebeș to Novaci, and the road is located in the Rânca mountains group. are now at Obârșia Lotrului, and from here comes the most spectacular part of this road, because we cross from here to Rânca 30 kilometers, and the entire road from Sebeș to Novaci, it's almost 150 kilometers. To filming, it's our little Mavic Mini, a GoPro 7 Black, and a GH5 with a 12 to 35mm lens. Transalpina is the highest road of the Carpathian Mountains and from Romania. The road has its highest point at the Obârșia Pass, you can see it there, where the elevation is 2,145 meters above the sea level. Point of the Transalpina road, the 2,145 meters, and above us it's the highest point of the mountain, the Urdele peak. There is 2,200 meters. Now we are in Rânca, we are stopped for a few minutes and we go back to Obârșia Lotrului. On this way we are filming, but back we are not filming anything. We want just to enjoy the views and the road and the curves. I want to say a few things. Given the high altitude, the road is closed during the cold months of the year. And the works began in 2007 in order to transform this spectacular road that was off-road into a modern road. We share with this doggy. This is mine and this is yours. Come. Bon appétit. We are almost down, we have just a few corners and we are back to Obârșia Lotrului. And from there we are going through Voineasa, Brezoi and back to Sibiu, probably on Valea Oltului.
Here to take some photos. This is Vidra Lake.
We stopped at Zan Hotel in Voineasa to eat something. This was the Vidra Lake, and our route for today, it was from Sibiu to Săliște, Jina, Șugag, Tăubistra, Obârșia Lotrului, Rânca, and from Rânca back to Obârșia Lotrului, and now we are here, and from here we are going to Brezoi, and from here Valea Oltului to Sibiu. We have here a beef soup.
You are a bit.
You are a beef and I'm a soup. Okay, we made it.
We go take a shower.
And then we go and eat something in Sibiu.
Bye. We are ready. We go eat something. Let's go at the same place.
We go to eat a pizza with salami. for today we have pizza and pasta.
For dinner.
For dinner.
That was for today. I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next video on Transalpina.
Tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.